Shit, is that how you do it? I don't even know. Is that how you do it? Shit. Ah, fuck, it hurt. Why is that lady looking at me? Damn. Like, no, I'm not gonna steal your car. Hopefully I don't get too much wind in this video. There's a lot of wind right here. But something I've been thinking about, and look at it. We're just gonna do another walk around. Hopefully I don't get too much wind of current status of the two-door and how it looks right now. Oh jeez, here we go. Him and his girlfriend in the freaking 335. I swear to God. Well, I can't say I'll gap them because I don't have my Mustang. But maybe the Tahoe will gap them soon. Actually thinking about getting some paint done pretty soon. But aside from that, what I want to do right now, something I've been thinking about, is getting some onboard air put on. Because now that I'm definitely thinking about taking this thing on extensive road trips, you know, I've been traveling with my air compressor on full in case I had to do anything, but I guess technically that is my onboard air system, but you know, it's not hooked up or anything because I charge it before I go for a long drive somewhere. This is what I plan to have in the car, in that little handy dandy tool storage thing up top. If you guys have any info on some onboard air systems that are really good, I mean, I'm not trying to do an air horn. I mean, maybe I may try and put an air horn on the thing, but yo, looking fresh. That's something I want to do. That way, if I do need to put air somewhere, I can use the air. If I need to fill up a tire, if I need to blow some stuff off of the windshield or do something. I don't know if I should mount the tank and everything underneath. I'm not going to be going off-roading. I'm not going to be going off-roading with it. I mean, I'm going to have the 22s on it. So, and if anything, the frame, if I do mount it underneath, it'll be above the frame rail. So, it's not really going to mess it up at any point, really. I could put it in the back since I got everything cleaned out of the back. And this lady is looking at me, so we'll see. I don't know. We'll figure out where we're gonna. If you guys have any ideas of onboard air systems or onboard air that you guys use, let me know, because there's been one or two guys, or a few of them, that have mentioned in the comments that they went with onboard air, and I really wasn't thinking about it at the time, and now I'm thinking about it. And now, I mean, looking at the cost of everything, it's only like, I see some kits are like $200-300 to get an onboard air kit, and that's the pump, the tank, the line, you know, all the fittings and whatnot to get everything all squared away and to do that. So that's not that bad. And we're riding. We're squeaky right now. We're still squeaky because that new AC compressor I put on there is still a little squeaky, but we're still good in that matter. But yes, something I would definitely like. And you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I low-key want an air horn now. Just cause if I need it, if I need to scare a bear or a deer or a mountain lion, I would never do it to Cliff. I would never do it to my dog Cliff. But yes, let me know what kind of kits are out there. Put links, put all that kind of stuff, because I've been looking at a few places, and I know pretty much everything that anyone sells anywhere you can get on Amazon. So I've been looking at some of those, and you know, nothing too crazy. Maybe something like a few gallon air tank, if that. And I know you can get crazy expensive with pumps and billet and this and that. Oh, I guess we're both squeaky. That truck was squeaky too. We made a weird squeaky unison noise that was just weird. But yeah, we're riding. We're actually almost due for an oil change now. I've been saying I needed to do that. So I'll get the oil change done. But yes, onboard air. Should I do it? Should I not do it? I'm kind of leaning towards I'm gonna do it, because it's just like when I had the Mustang. The Mustang had the little, the little cigarette lighter air compressor thing, and there was one or two times where I was somewhere and I was like, you know what, I need air in my tire, like right now, and it actually helped. And that's why I ride around with air in my tank, just cause if I do run into something and I have tire plugs and stuff of that nature. So let me know what you got. If you have one set up on your own Instagram or your own YouTube channel or whatever means of communication you want to look at, freaking, geez, my barber lined that up so weird. I don't grow hair here, so I'm gonna just talk like this. Whatever systems you have set up or whatever, feel free to send it to me on Instagram. Put a link in the description and freaking in the comments on YouTube. Let me know. I'm open to any kind of suggestions at all, because I think getting an onboard air system set up, maybe actually what I can do is I can mount it under the seat. But then another thing, I want to put like some 8-inch subs underneath the seat. So let me know what you got. I know the pump for sure is going to be underneath, because it'll probably be a little bit loud if I kick it on and do whatever. But let me know. I can go over it, and then if I find one that I like, I'll do an install. That way I can have onboard air. And then when I get the new tires, I can take this thing on probably some trails. Maybe not some super badass trails, but maybe some trails enough to me get out and get my feet wet, kind of wet, but not really wet, because if my feet are wet, that means everything's wet, and that's not really good. So yeah, let me know what you got.